HD 196,885, HD 196,885 is a binary star system in the northern constellation of Delphinus. It is near the lower limit of visibility to the naked eye with an apparent visual magnitude of 6.39. According to its parallax of 29.24 mass, it is located at a distance of 112 light-years from the Sun. It is drifting closer with a radial velocity of 30 km/s and is expected to come to within 52.5 light-years in 836,000 years. The absolute magnitude of the system is 3.76. The primary component A is an F-type main sequence star with a stellar classification of F8V. It is about 2 billion years old and is spinning with a projected rotational velocity for a rotation period of around 15 days. The star has 1.33 times the mass of the Sun and 1.45 times the Sun's radius. The metallicity of this star, what astronomers term the abundance of elements with higher atomic number than helium, is nearly double that in the Sun. It is radiating 2.7 times the luminosity of the Sun from its photosphere at an effective temperature of 6,340 K. In 2004, a planet was announced to be orbiting the star in a 386-day orbit. Follow-up work published in 2008 did not confirm the original candidate, but instead found evidence of a planet in a 3.63 years. This object has a minimum estimated mass at least 3 times that of the planet Jupiter. Perturbation by the secondary star in this system may have driven the planet into a high inclination orbit. The secondary, component B, is a red dwarf star separated by 0.7 arcseconds from the primary star. At a distance of 112 light-years, this corresponds to a separation of 24 between the stars. Since the separation along the line of sight is unknown, this represents a lower limit on the true separation. The orbital elements of the pair give an orbital period of 72 years, a semimajor axis of 21 and an eccentricity of 0.42. It has a class in the range MON V2 and 3V with 45% of the Sun's mass. The star BD plus 10351b, located 192 arcseconds away from HD 196,885, is located at the same distance and may be a physically bound companion star, in which case HD 196,885 is a triple system. If it is bound, then the separation is at least 6,600. The separation along the line of sight is unknown, so this value represents a lower limit on the true separation.